Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of a product that doesn't really have a lot of reviews out there. So anyway, this is the Jakemy JM-Y02 Plus electric screwdriver. It's basically a power screwdriver for hobbies such as RC and computer stuff, and even guns, and even, well, probably not too many cars have, these tiny little bits, but it's a electric screwdriver with a lithium battery, and it comes with a whole bunch of different size hex, Torx, slotted Phillips. You see it all here. So yeah, just gonna do a quick unboxing, quality control, whatever. But the box itself is actually really seems to be good quality. And I got this from Amazon for about 40 bucks. It's about a third of the price of what I've seen from some of these other boxes. So anyway, a nice cardboard box here. Comes with a little pull loop. And let's crack it open and see what we got inside. Interesting. I was hoping it kind of came in a separate case, but I guess this will have to do. We have a thing here, which I'm not sure what it's for. Instructions in Chinese and English. Basically, do not use electric screwdrivers with babies or children to avoid injury. Yeah, I think that's pretty much common sense. Nicely packaged USB, I'm guessing a charger cord here. There is a lithium battery inside, so that is really handy. I don't have to fill this thing up with AA's all the time. Yeah, let's take a look here. All right, so we got this foam stuff. The box is really nice. I just kind of wish it came in its own separate case. But so this is the torque control. Seems to be a nice composite material. Battery is currently dead. But anyway, it feels nice and quality. I'm going to go ahead and get this charged up and see what it can do. So anyway, after getting this charged up, it does seem to work pretty nicely. The torque thing is it works. Barely have to touch it all to stop it at 1. And you go up to 3, a little more difficult. It's not super accurate. Like 5 is very difficult. Anyway, let's try this out on my UDR car. You just pop the bit in and it's good to go. Every single little slot here, I don't know if you can see that, but it has a name. So the lettering for each type of bit is just below the bit. So I guess this will have to do as a case for it. I guess it's pretty convenient. You just slide it back in. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the purchase, and I'm glad I didn't spend 120 bucks on one of the competitors, because this one will more than likely do the trick. So one thing I did notice is that if the screw is in too tight, at least for removal, it just won't work. It just clicks like any old screwdriver. So you need to really break them loose and then undo them. But you know, it only happened on one screw out of 12, removing the body here. So I guess I can't complain too much. But so forward is tighten, backwards is loosen. Very intuitive there. So in order to loosen stuff, you really have to torque it up. Let's try full blast, because I mean, I'm not going to strip it or anything. It's interesting. So it's not super strong, but that could have something to do with me not entirely charging the battery. Looks like it is also possibly, I don't know if it's magnetic or not. But anyway, this is generally a fairly tight screw. mostly seems to be doing the trick. Definitely saves you some time. So anyway, that's a quick review of the Jakemy JM-Y02 Plus. I'll leave a link below on the description. Seems to work pretty well. I don't know, I'm going to give it a little bit more time to 100% figure it out. But for RC stuff, we need a lot of these different hex bits. It has a lot. It's got 6 different super small to, you know, fairly normal size hex bits in here. And yeah, so anyway, on to my next project, which, you know, is going to be fixing this thing. So stay tuned if you want to see what that is all about. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.